Hey everyone, so just giving you an update on my new weekend project. Working on a wind turbine. So here I got from Barnes & Noble, I got the wind turbine. Let me see, get a good video. So I am doing a little bit of a modification on this. For one thing, I took out the original motor, which is this guy right here. A very small motor, it's like 2 volts. If you read it right there, 2 volts. I did this because, well, one, when I took this apart, I accidentally pulled the wires right off the motor, and they looked like they were really hard to solder to. And I didn't know where the positive soldered to here, so I just went to Hobby Lobby and just bought another motor. If you can see right in there, big honking motor, like 3 volts I think. And so I swapped them in there, swapped out the gear, and since he was bigger, the little retaining tabs would not hold the bigger motor because it's longer. So I just used this super glue. This glue is awesome, but it will take the skin right off your fingertips. So be careful. like because right now I like have a thin layer of glue on my fingertips here, and I'm like trying to resist from taking it off, but if I do, I'll take the skin right off my fingertips. So anyways, so this is what it originally looked like. Here's the switch. There's a little push button. This is nice. I'm gonna keep this because it has a nice gasket, so if this is out in the open air, moisture keeps moisture from like rainwater. So it goes right there, and it's like a little push button. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep the switch. I'm thinking about hooking up a supercapacitor, and that this will when it generates when the wind turbine moves, that it will charge the supercap. So I'm not sure if I want to keep this switch or not. It is kind of neat, and it comes with like a little AA battery holder. So I don't know. It's gonna take a little bit of modification to get it to where I want it. So what am I gonna control it with? Well, I could use cutoff FETs. I could use relays. I could use Arduino microcontroller. I could use Raspberry Pi. But what I want to do is I want to harvest wind energy and charge the supercap, and then record the supercap, record the voltage and the current, and then discharge it however I want to do it through like a microcontroller. So I'm not like physically flipping a switch or anything. It's once it gets to a certain charge level, then it'll discharge and then power something else like a motor, or just keep charging charge a supercap bank, or charge a battery. I'm not too sure what I want it to power just yet. I just want to harvest the energy and then record the harvesting with a data logger like a multimeter or a current meter, and probably both, and also do something with it. So this is going to probably be in my flower pot outside, and I'll probably take this into work eventually. But you can hear the motor turning. So there is a little bit of resistance. So it's going to take a little bit of wind to generate anything. So I might take this out to the beach one day under an umbrella, and then I see if I can get any kind of, and take my meter and record any voltage and current. So that's it, and I just want to keep you updated, and so that's it, guys. All right, take it easy.